You better work.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with moisturizing my face. I'm gonna use the Prep and Prime by MAC. I'm gonna take a little bit in the palm of my hands, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and evenly apply it to my face. Massage it all over your skin. What I like to do next is to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I like to do it before and after I apply. So this is what it looks like. I have a small one because I literally carry it everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. Looks like this. I absolutely love this foundation. It's just super smooth. It just goes right in to my skin. I just love it. I'll go ahead and use the LA Pro Conceal in the color Light Ivory. When I put concealer on, I always overdo it. Like, I just get super excited. And it's like, if it ain't a lot, it ain't popping. So I always end up like going ham. Of course, I like to use the same sponge that I use for my foundation to go ahead and blend. This is my first time ever doing a drag look ever. So I don't know how this is going to come out. Now that I have evenly blended my concealer, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Translucent Setting Powder. Now that I've set my face, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyebrows. Typically what most people do is that they use an adhesive or they use glue to glue down their eyebrows. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna be a mess. So what I typically do like using for my eyebrows is powder. I do it all the time. It just works best for me versus like gel. I don't know. I guess it's just my preference, but whatever works for you works for you. Today I'm just gonna go ahead and use NYX gel liner and smudger in the color Brown Brun. This one is pretty small and really tiny. I never ever use gel. Every time I do gel, I always end up overdoing it. So what I do is I don't take that much. I take out what I put in the line. So whatever I have in the line, I'll just bring it up. And then I have like a little tissue underneath, and then I just wipe off any that I have on the brush because I don't want it to be too dark. You know when you're afraid of trying something because you just don't want to try it and it's just like it's not the best for you, and then you try it and you're like, this could probably work. Because like maybe I might like it and I might start using it. That's me right now. I'm going to gently conceal underneath my eyebrow just to make it perfect, you know. I usually don't blend it until I finish my other eye. They're just looking like take me out every day. I'm gonna take a small little tissue to dab my sweat. Then I'm gonna take my sponge otra vez, and I'm just gonna blend that. I'm gonna use a Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here to highlight. Every time I highlight any parts of my face, forget about it. I be on some extra shit. Okay, so now that I've highlighted the bottom of my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and take this amazing palette. I know I'm late, but I'm gonna go ahead and use Life's a Drag by Manny. I haven't used the palette yet, but today shall be the day. So this is what it looks like inside. It's so pretty colors. The one thing I really do like about this palette is that, as you can see, it has brighter colors and then the neutrals. So you can definitely go out and use this palette all the time, like cuando tú quieras, con cualquier color. To top it off, he included a brush in here. It's literally soft as ever. Blue color right here. I'm gonna use that at my crease. Quick little line right up top, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right underneath where I just highlighted, and I'm gonna bring it right to the corner right here. I'm gonna take the other side, that fluffy side, and I'm just gonna blend that out. This is really the first time I ever do blue. I don't feel like I've ever done blue in my life, but I love it. I just added a little bit of yellow up top. Now that I've created a cut crease, I'm gonna go ahead in with Cake Face, and I'm gonna apply it on that cut crease. I really thought for a second that this white color wasn't gonna blend well on my eyelid just now, so I was really shook. I was like, hold up. So I know it look a little crazy right now, but what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to take the glitter primer by NYX, and I'm just going to put a little bit, again, palm of my hand. I'm going to take a small brush. So I've applied the primer glitter. I'm gonna take the NYX glitter in the color Ice. I'm gonna take that shady color here. I'm going to apply it up top right there, and then wing it out. I'm going to take that same yellow that we used previously, that campy color right here, and I'm going to put it underneath my eye. NYX liquid liner. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, so be right back. Now that my whole eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and create my jaw structure. We want to make the jawline sexy and very defined. I'm gonna take the NYX contour palette, and I'm gonna start up here, right where your cheekbone is. Please make sure you go ahead and check out We Blink Mink on Instagram and check out their website at weblinkmink.com, because I live for all the lashes. Be like, hey chula, ven aquí. Now that I'm all set, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some.